Hi, my name is Thomas Kim. A couple of days ago, I filmed about how to build openssl on Windows with Visual Studio, Visual C++, Active State Perl. But this method I found a little bit challenging for most people, so I tried using not Active State Perl but Strawberry Perl package. In this session, we will build openssl on Windows, but we will be using a different method. We will use a Strawberry Perl package. Now first visit this openssl home page here. Please click this GitHub, this link, then download openssl-master.zip. Also download from NASM from this website, latest version of NASM. Click this link, then here Win32 installer, double click to download, go back, then also download the Win64 64-bit version. Also from this Strawberry package, Strawberry website, download Strawberry Perl 64-bit, then Strawberry Perl 32-bit. You should find in your download folder. You should find two NASM installer for 64-bit and 32-bit, and also two Strawberry package 32-bit and 64-bit, and openssl-master. So we need to have three packages. We will install with four packages. First, I will install NASM 64. When you install NASM, right click, start administrator, then install it to your default location, then close. Also install 32-bit, also install Strawberry 32-bit, double click it, next, accept, next. Here please change the name 32, Strawberry 32, next, install. Finish. Then we will install 64-bit of Strawberry Perl. Next, accept, next. Now change the folder name to 64, Strawberry 64. Next, click install. Now click finish. Please note that we installed NASM 64-bit and 32-bit, and Strawberry Perl 32-bit and 64-bit. Now we will make a command prompt. We don't need this icon. I will delete it. From your system, search, Windows search here, Visual Studio. Then 2017, Visual Studio 2017, right click, open file location, scroll up, Visual Studio 2017, Visual Studio Tools, VC, here, drag x86 native tool, drag and copy here. Also this one, x64 native tool command prompt, copy here. Then let's rename it. Rename like this. Like this. And also rename it like this. Now start your notepad, create one file here, then right click Visual. We are starting with the Visual Studio 86 version, 32-bit version, properties. Here, Ctrl A, Ctrl C, copy the command prompt like this. Okay, make it a little bit smaller. Here, you can say echo off, then call, change it like this. Change your code like this. Then save at the desktop. Here, please code like this. VS17 x86 open SSL CMD. Okay, please code the file name like this, then save. Okay, it is saved here. Then right click, name, rename, copy this text here. You can change like this. Okay, enter. Now open it once again. No, this one, open it, properties once again. You have to see like this. Okay, please remember, you have to click advanced, run as administrator. Please select this command, this run as administrator, then click apply. Okay, then if you double click it, it will prompt for it will prompt like this. Also, we create another file here, then we will save it. We will open like this 64, then copy the text, paste here, echo off, then call like this. Okay, now we are going to save it. Save at the desktop, code VS17 x64 open SSL CMD code. Okay, save. Then here you are changing like this. VS17 x64 open SSL CMD. Okay, then advanced, select run as administrator. Okay, apply. Okay, so double click it. Okay, close it. Now we will copy these two files. We will copy these two files. Right click, File Explorer, C, Windows. We will put the files here. These two files. Click, Control click, then paste it here. Copy. Do this for all current. Continue. Okay, then double click this button first. Then you should see something like this. In my case, it is not saved as NC. It should be encode NC. Okay, then save again. It should also be encode NC. Save again. So here I will do the same. Control, then copy once again, replace, Continue. Now I close it and I run it again. It should run like this. cl. Okay, it should run like this. And it should show this is x64. Double click it. This is for x86, 32-bit. Now close both. Now we'll be doing some path settings. Please note that we installed the Strawberry here from system search environ environ. Double click it here. Environment variable settings. Select path here. Edit. Scroll down. Then you should see something like this. These are for 64-bit. Click this one first. Copy. Then here, this is 64-bit. Paste it like this. Then again this one. Copy. Then paste. Then this one. Copy. Paste. Set your it should be something like this, and here set path. Change your text like this. Okay, now copy this text, copy here, paste it. Then this is for 86, x86 means 32-bit, so we have to change 64 as 32. So we are changing it 32. We are also changing it 32. Okay, like this. Now save all. Then we can delete these. Okay, we can delete. Okay, now say in my case here I installed msys2 and minGW. We need to disable it for the time being. Please disable if you installed. If you installed the genuine application like msys2 or cwin, please disable the path for the time being. I disabled like this. I will restore it back after building openssl. Now click OK. Now we can close it. We need to set another environment variable from here. C drive, program files, here NASM. Copy this path. This is for 32-bit. This is for 32-bit. Here, paste like this, and save. In case of 64-bit, we have to go here. Copy this path. Then here 64. Paste it here. Okay, now it should look like this. Now save all and double check like this and like this. Okay, everything seems to be fine. Now save all. Go to Windows folder again here. Click, Control click, right drag, copy, replace, continue. Okay, now let's start with the x64 first. Double click it. Now we are testing Perl version. You should have this message, this multi-threaded. This is for 64-bit Perl and NASM version you should also see something like this. Now exit, double click it. This is 32-bit Perl version. You should see 64 int. Okay, so this is 32-bit Perl. Then NASM version and cl. Now it's working. NASM NMAKE. Okay, everything seems to be working fine. Now go back to download folder, unzip it, unzip openssl. Now copy the folder openssl-master folder, copy and move it, paste it to your working folder. I will be working here. We will install in this folder cl.EXE soft, and here we will first create a new folder. I will name it openssl 1.1.1 pre10 deb, like this. In this folder we will create a folder layout. The root folder this is the root folder. Then in this root folder we will create DLL. This is dynamic library. Then static. We will create a folder layout like this. Then Win32 for 32-bit. Then X64 for 64-bit. And here it will have a debug subfolder and the release folder, and also here debug subfolder and the release folder. Static library also has Win32 debug, release, and also X64 debug, release, and here it will also have SSL. We will store, this is called the key store, or we will store our generated key SSL key here. I will save it to here, folder layout txt. Okay, we will create a folder like this. Here first we create DLL, then here we create Win32, then here debug and release. Then here I will copy this folder and rename it to release, like this. Then here I will copy this, then I will change it to static. Then here I create another folder SSL, or we can just say SSL, or we can name anything we want. Okay, so if we see this, if we can double check the folder layout, dbsoft, this folder here. So we have we have a DLL, static, SSL, 3 folders. DLL has window. I have to change it to x64. Then it has Win32 x64. It has debug release. So this folder layout is created. Here static. It should be rename x64. Then it has debug release. Okay, our build result will be saved in this folder. Now go back to here, double click it, copy this folder. We will start Visual 2017. We started this 32-bit version. CD paste. We are in master folder. Before we do, we have to install a few things. cpan I test more. Hit enter. So we should have message install uninsd1. okay, you should have this message, and also scroll up, you should have no error message. Now another thing, cpan I text template. Hit enter. Please note that when I tried this command prompt when I tried this installing these packages without using run as administrator option, then it didn't work properly. So don't forget setting this option. Now you should have this message again, install OK. Now we are configuring Perl. Configure VC means Visual C++. Here Win32, we are building 32-bit build. Then we have to give prefix. Please note that we are installing here at this path. We will build release build first. So here we are building here DLL Win32 release. Select this path, copy, right click, paste. Then open SSL-dir, here. Please note that we are saving our key here. We will use this folder as our key. Copy. Here, right click. So we are configure VC Win32 prefix. This is the folder we're going to install. Open SSL-dir. This is the key folder, key store folder. Hit enter. Now we are building. Okay. Before we build, I will explain something. This is video inside video. I decided to make this digression because the concept of code page and the consequence of code page causes lots of trouble as software developer. Also, code page is really a headache. To to get more understanding about the concept of code page, please refer to this page website. Also refer to Microsoft Windows code page. I will put the links. You can refer these videos about this documentation about code page. Say in my case, I usually build software in NC code page. NC code page is called American blah blah blah. You can read more about NC code page here. I usually build software in NC code page. What I mean is in control panel. Here, please select clock region, change number format. This button in control panel. Select administrator. I usually change this system code page, system locale, to English United States, like this. When I build software packages or software tools that I downloaded from internet. However, in this session, I decided to show you the consequence of code page, what kind of troubles or problems code page can cause to us. Okay, so please understand, if you want to avoid such problems that we will see very shortly, please change your system locale to English United States. Now let's get back to our previous discussion. Okay, let's keep going. If I expect some errors while building, then I will explain how to resolve. Then NMAKE. This builds our openssl. Enter. Okay, we have an error. Say fatal error U1077 CL returned code 02. Please read this message carefully. This is crypto.bnexp, and our compilation failed. And I will explain how to fix this. Please read this code properly. crypto.bnexpc. Okay, so let's find the code. Here. This is the file. It says crypto. I will show you side by side. Crypto. Crypto here. It says crypto bn, and the file name is bnexpd. bn expc bnexpc. Now open this file bnexpd. If you scroll down, see bnexpc 886. Warning, treated, no object generated. Warning, the file contents character cannot be represented in the current code page. This current code page is Korean. Korean code page is 949. Saved in Unicode format to prevent data loss. Okay, so we have to fix this part of the code here. So I will open this file bnexpc, right click, edit notepad. Here we have to fix this file. Okay, I will explain what's the problem. Search, control panel, click this here. You can select this, then see administrative. Here current language for non-Unicode program. I can change it to some other language like Western ISO. Please remember this is Korean, so I click OK. Okay, so close it. Here we make changes, then we save character encoding. If your language is Japanese, you have to save Japanese. My language is Korean, so I save like Windows like this. I save. Okay, then I save once again to make sure. This is Korean, right? I saved Korean. Then close it. Okay, I will explain why certain things happen. Okay, I will explain why certain things happen. Say in modern Windows operating system, all text is processed in Unicode internally. Okay, internally all text is processed in Unicode. Code page is created in old days, created in like 1970s or 80s. Okay, so in this code page we cannot represent all characters correctly. So when we compile, if we see this, we can see this, we can find, say, Unicode definition here. It internally converts from code page text to Unicode text to compile. So when some characters cannot be converted to Unicode properly using my current code page, then it gives error. Okay, I will explain more about this in some other videos. For the time being, just do as I do. If you are using Japanese Windows platform, for example, you have to save as Japanese. Now let's hit once again. Now this problem will be resolved. Now this file is resolved. We will have more of such errors. Here we also have the same error message as previously. So this is now apps/c. So we have to open apps/c. Right click, open it. Here make changes, then change encoding to Korean. Yes. Then save. Then here, come back here and make again. We close this file. Now the build is complete. Well, now we test our build and make test. If you see all tests successful, result passed, then our build was successful. Now we install NMAKE install WS. No, SW. We are installing only software component. Enter. Please note that we installed Win32 release build. Win32 here. openssl DL Win32 release. Then these files are copied properly. Include like this. And lib like this. we can build this way. We can build debug, and also we can build the release static debug. Now we will, so I will mark it that we successfully built. Then we can try these two debug build too, but I will try static debug build. Okay, we will try this. To do that, we have to clean up and make clean. Now we are cleaning. Then we have to reconfigure. We configure like this: Perl configure Visual C Win32. Now we are doing debug build, so we have to give it option switch debug like this. Prefix, we have to provide this folder. So here we are now building static build, static Win32 debug. We will build this one. Copy this path, paste, then open SSL-dir. We have to provide a key folder. We will store our key here, so we provided this. Paste. Now we provide no shared. No shared means this switch means we are building shared static library. Okay, so hit enter. Now we build and make. Now we test the build and make test. All tests successful, result pass. If you see this message, it means we successfully built. Now we install and make install SW. Now hit enter. Up to this point, static Win32 debug. So we built debug build here. Now we close, say up. We built Win32 release build and Win32 static debug build. Now we will build x64-bit version. To do that, we have to close this and we start the 64-bit console. Here cpan I test more. We have to install this, hit enter. You should see install OK message. Now we install another package, cpan I text template. Hit enter. Now we will build 64-bit debug DLL. Then we can do like this. Perl configure Visual C Win64A. A means AMD 64 architecture. Prefix, we are providing this folder. DLL x64 debug, copy this path, paste, then open SSL dir. We provide this path, then debug. Okay, hit enter. cd here, hit enter. Now we build NMAKE. We have to fix this error. Here it says ms uplink C, ms here, line 92, 92. I think we have to fix like this. Save the code. Then let's check encoding. Korean. Then let's run it and make again. Okay, it's fixed. No. We have another error message. NMAKE clean. Let's clean up. Then build again. NMAKE. We are building from scratch again. When the build is completed, now test and make test. Say the test result should be all tests successful and result passed. Then we install and make install software. Enter. Say we built here DLL x64 debug. We built the debug builder like this. Now we will build a static build here. Now we will build this static release build. Before we build, please make sure and make clean. We have to clean. In case of here we are making release build, so we have to provide this static x64 release. We have to provide this path here. Paste. This is static release folder, and here, so this is the correct settings. Now enter. Sorry, I made a mistake. We have to provide no shared. This is release, shared release, no static release build. So we have to provide no shared. Enter. Then build NMAKE. Now test NMAKE. Test. All tests successful, result pass, then we install NMAKE, install SW, hit enter. Then we built static x64 release build. So far we have built this one. So we can build this way. We can build openssl in this manner. If you have questions, please leave your comment and questions. Then I will answer as soon as possible. Thank you for watching.